Rose Garden July 4th special. And I love my garden. I love to do the things in my garden. If you enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notification to the alert when I have new videos. Today, we are going to celebrate by creating a great meals on the grill. Especially, I'm going to concentrate on porterhouse steak and Kabobs. First, let us get the steak ready. Now we chose the porterhouse. People say, why you chose the porterhouse? Because this is porterhouse is the best part of the steak. And people say it looks like a T-bone. Yes, it's a T-bone, and the T-bone with a filet mignon. This part is a filet mignon. It's very tender, and this is a T-bone. So this porterhouse is good for the grill. And if you have a good material, all you need just a simple seasoning. Any simple seasoning is the salt and the pepper. That's it. Get it seasoned. Get on the hot grill. Let's start it. Now I'm going to cut this legs of the lamb. You can see that's a beautiful lamb, and everybody know in the Middle East they use the lambs as probably main material for the kebab. Let's try. Make sure you cut your meat is a big chunk. Yep, don't too small. Important to cut a big part. Let me cut half like this big cut. Get it big. It's good for the grill. You don't want too small. Then we put the meat on the bowl. I'm going to do the seasoning for the kaboom. So what do we have? We have this is a lemon juice, and of course salt, and this is a black pepper and cumin. That's cumin is best for the lamb, and garlic powder, and this is smoked paprika. That's like chili powder, and a very good smell. The smoked it. Of course, we need some olive oil. Make it mix together. Okay. Now I'm prepared for the vegetable and the fruit for the kebab. Now you can see we have a beautiful color and the bell peppers, zucchini, and squash. This is a pineapple, fresh pineapple. I just cut it. Let's get ready. Now you can see we get rid of the inside and the top, and I'm going to cut this. Make sure you cut big pieces. Don't too small, big pieces. So big pieces. Get rid of the tag. Yeah. Now I'm going to prepare my zucchini. I have one the cutting. Make sure the zucchini is very good. I cut it going to the big pieces. That's zucchini ready, and I'm going to grill the pineapple. That's very good when you get a pineapple in there, some sweet and some acid, fruit acid there. Yeah, I'm all ready. Then I'm going to season all the vegetables. 现在 now we are going to do the season for the vegetable now. I put a salt there, and the garlic powder, and black pepper. Then we get some of the olive oil to season these vegetables. Okay. Then we use our hands, mix together. After mixed the vegetable, we are going to put on this is the steak now. And first, we get the zucchini. Make sure they have the distance between your meat and the vegetable. Let the heat go through all the vegetable and the meat. Make sure your color looks good. Yeah, let us get it ready. Yeah, made it beautiful. Get some purple on there. One more purple. Get another meat on the top. Another zucchini squash here. That looks good. Let's do the grill. Now we're on the grill now. Let's do our porterhouse first. Our beautiful beef. We do the kabobs. We are on the medium heat, 300 degree, and we are looking for the kebab, and the porterhouse is 145 is what we're looking for inside the meat. Let's check it out. Ooh. Looks really good. Let us check the temperature. Let's see. That is about 123 already. Let us check this one. 127. 130 already. Well, 145 looking for. Let us check the lamb. 138. 138, 139, we still need waiting for one more run. Now let us check the temperature again. Check the steak. Remember, we're waiting for 145. It's 146, 147. It's ready here for medium. Oh, it's ready. This is 150. Let us check our lamb. That's 155. It's ready. Let us check this one. 160. Food is done. Looks so delicious. Let the Loose Garden family wish you family happy July 4th. Not to take so long, we made a beautiful holiday dinner.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget, thumbs up and subscribe. We see you in the next video.